Yes, just I rolling the video and for YouTube, Timo. I'm using only 100 and 1580, approximately 200 watts in this moment, Timo. Roger.
Your Sky? Yeah, the Sky, just for a moment, I'm just in contact with 169 Italy. Yeah, Vincent, you know, it works very well. It's, just whipping around and, it's like a twist. All the time it's changing the direction. So, it's very, very hard to copy anyone, so for a longer time. But I really appreciate that you come through. We got the first contact, Ella. So, very, very pleased for that. Once in Italy, this is a 1-3 Lima Radio, 991, Timo.
QSL Timo 13 Lima Radio 991. Nice to hearing you, and I speak with you for the first time, okay, after very long time on the chat on the YouTube channel. Yeah, the propagation tonight is very strong indeed, Timo. Very difficult, okay. 20 dB station from Germany, Scotland, Netherlands. Incredible. Okay, Timo, that's all from my location. Go ahead.
13 Lima Radio.
Thank you, Sir Vincent.
13 Kilo Alpha 67.
UK and so on.
Just a moment.
I will make it short. Really appreciate that you are coming on YouTube. For the other ones, only put call sign into YouTube 13LR991 and you will find that live stream on 2 hours and 2 minutes. 2 hours and 2 minutes. So you will see that evening and really appreciate for that. And I think we will do that again. So we will do it again. 169.91.
QSL Timo, QSL 10 dB over 9, your last over. Very good. Okay, no problem at all. I rolling also the video on YouTube, Mr. Timo, about this conversation. Timo, much appreciated content. Before condition change, I wish you 7 trees to you. I'm very happy. Copy you in this time, and I wish you lovely weekend. Ciao Timo. 13 Lima Radio 991. This is 169 in Italy. Get down.
13 Kilo Alpha 67. 13 Kilo Alpha 67. Calling Vincent.
Well, we did it. Our first USO. What a pleasure. 169 in Italy. Have a nice evening, my friend. From Timo, the 991.
Thank you, Timo. The pleasure always mine. We catch you in good condition next time, next days. Ciao, Timo. Arrivederci. Guten Tag.
13 Kilo Alpha 67. 13 Kilo Alpha 67. Thank you.
73s and minutes. We did it. What about Marco? Is Marco off in the background? Marco 776. You.
Kilo Alpha 67.
26 Charlie Papa 65.
Yeah, okay, Mr. Marco, 13 Lima Radio 776. Marco, can you hear me? The Italian stallion, Marco. Go ahead, Marco.
Kilo Alpha 67. 13 Kilo Alpha 67. Thank you.
CQ Timo, CQ Timo, 26, Delta Radio.
I'm very sorry I don't hearing Marco. Okay, Timo, wish you 7 trees and the best regards. 169 in Italy, we're standing by. Catch you later.
13 Kilo Alpha 67.
Yeah, 26 Delta Radio. I think I recognize 26 Delta Radio station. Please go ahead.
13 Kilo Alpha 67. 13 Kilo Alpha 67. Calling Vincent.
Vielmals gesprochen.
Good evening, Kilo Alpha, good evening.
Absolutely fantastic.
Yeah, very strong signal, Kilo Alpha, 20 dB over 9 in this moment in Italy, Roger.
One
Okay, Kyle, very good copy in Italy. Your modulation is 5. I located northwest part of Italy. Okay, back to you.
444, Germany.
Signal here in Germany, 20.
Roger.
In Germany,
QDX 19 Division, 19, World Radio, 666. My live stream.
Okay, Kilo Alpha, wish you 7-3, much traffic on the radio. This is 169 in Italy. Have a nice weekend and catch you later, Kyle, Roger.
India, hello Vincent, yeah. This frequency here.
Ich lasse jetzt weitermachen, ja, viele Stadtrufen noch.
Ja, Hallöchen,
Crazy in the background with
73 Germany, much station on the frequency. Catch you later, Kyle. Have a nice weekend from Italy. Ciao, Kyle.
appreciate.
Okay, 13 Kilo Alpha 67, my name is Kai. Now. 55 kilometers south.